trying something new today. I have been recording in 2.7K, 60 frames. I have an older GoPro, so I record in 2.7 and then upscale in Premiere to 4K. But I normally record in 60 frames because I like to slow stuff down. And if you record in 30 frames a second, it's not going to be as smooth when it's slowed down. So I record in 60. But 60 frames doesn't look as cool when you're just like riding. Just POV, pure riding point of view. I think 30 frames looks better, or even 24. Oh, I see some bikes. I see some bikes over there. I see my people. Who's that goober? That's spicy! What's up, man? That was a sorry fist bump. There you go. It's that boy!
I'm way too awake right now.
Huh?
I think Daytona was the first bike I ever sat on.
Oh, really? That's a pretty aggressive first bike to sit on.
Yeah. I didn't ride it, but it was just like...
Yeah. Really? Yeah. Yeah. I'm a law-abiding citizen. Watch that possum. He's just playing dead. He's just playing dead. Crossplane sounds so good. Ah! It's just vibing. No carno or nothing. He got that music in his soul. Somebody tell him, hey, 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 you guys! Boop, 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 boop. Did you stall? The slow moving back.
I tippy toe on both sides. Let me see if I can touch on this thing.
It's slim. The seat's slim.
So short.
The tippy toe. It's wider than mine is. Like mine's so skinny up front.
just go ahead. Alright.
To the thing?
Yeah.
Am I still going?
Yeah. Are you what?
Still rolling?
Yeah. Yes. You are rolling.
Thumbnail. Hey guys, if you want to get one of these cool key tags like mine, go to nastockcompany.com and use code BlueDevil675 for 15% off your order. I think it's 15% off. Probably. I like these key tags. I like cherry blossom. Now we're going to a stunt lot.
Yeah, it sounds like an R1.
We're just doing everything today. And there's an airplane. Get it? Cornering God. I don't know what's going on. I'll never be able to do that. Gosh. Oh boy. It's so yeah, I got a tiptoe. Oh no, dude. Okay, this one? Yeah. No, there's an N. This is gear right here. Is it GP or standard? Alright. Oh, this is so weird. Why is your foot brake so low? Oh no, dude. This is so weird. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. I've never been on a Duke before though. It's so comfy. Oh my, I could like ride this all day. What is rear missing? Taps rear missing. Yeah. Alright, it's so vibrating. Hey! This thing just makes me, it just puts a smile on my face, dude. It's so comfy, like it's weird how confidence inspiring it is with it being upright. It's been so long since I've ridden a bike that was upright. That thing sounds so good, dude. Yeah! It's so like my steering is so planted, and this one was just like all over the place. Yeah, it's just like even coming down on the off ramp, it's just. I feel like a little kid. Yeah, boy! Oh, it's so easy to get in neutral. You're still trying, aren't you? Lock button. Like a phone. We were just like looking at each other going down the highway. Seeing our bikes like, now I want one.